Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.3 liter V6 engine, providing you with decent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. This truck does have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, Eco Coach, and comm screen. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your hazards, your camera view, and then your hazards and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls, pretty simple but easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have another 12-volt with USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf where you can put your devices while they're charging or something like that. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath, which is actually currently locked, but also very spacious inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.